In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a product to sell on Wix. This tutorial is designed to guide you step by step, ensuring you understand every aspect of setting up your online store effectively. First, let's start by heading over to www.wix.com. Once you're on the website, log in to access your account. This will bring you to your dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. Next, click on Edit Site to open the specific website where you intend to sell your products. It's crucial to ensure you're working on the right project, so double check that you're editing the correct site. If your goal is to sell physical products, you'll need to ensure that Wix Stores is installed. This app is essential as it allows you to manage all your inventory and sales directly through the platform. Once you've confirmed Wix Stores is installed, the next step is to head to the Store Pages. Locate the product page within the Store Pages section. This is where you can start adding new products to your list. Click on Manage Products, which will lead you to your product dashboard. From here, select New Product to begin the process of adding an item to your store. When adding a product, choose Physical Product, since our focus is on tangible goods. After selecting this option, it's time to set up your inventory and shipping details. Under Inventory Management, enable Stock Tracking. This is a critical step to prevent overselling. Nothing frustrates customers more than placing an order only to find out later the item is out of stock. Set the quantity available for each product to keep things organized. Then, move on to configuring your shipping settings. Navigate to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery, where you can specify shipping regions, rates, and delivery methods. Offering options like free or flat rate shipping can be appealing to potential buyers and might encourage them to complete a purchase. Now that shipping is set up, you'll need to configure your payment methods. Go to Dashboard, then Settings, and finally Accept Payments. Here you can enable various gateways such as PayPal or Stripe to give customers the flexibility to choose their preferred payment method. Make sure to test the checkout process afterward to ensure everything proceeds smoothly for your customers. Finally, don't forget to publish your product. Set the item to be visible on your store page and customize the Add to Cart button, layout, and styling to match the aesthetics of your site. Preview everything to ensure it looks just right, from setting up shipping to managing orders. When customers make purchases, it's important to update order statuses and provide tracking information when applicable. Monitor your inventory regularly to avoid running out of stock and optimize your store using Wix Analytics. With high quality images and clear descriptions, multiple payment methods, realistic shipping times, and a transparent return policy, your store will be set for success on Wix.